Welcome back to this video. Today we are discussing parts of a flower. So let's get inside and learn about the different parts that a flower is having. Let's get started. The important concept that is often asked is what are the four whorls of a flower? And this question is a very common question starting from grade 8 till all the way up to grade 10. So the four whorls of a flower are the sepals, the petals, the androecium, which is also called stamen, and the gynoecium, which is also called the pistil. Let us understand where are these parts located. So the sepal is the green portion of the flower, which is also connected to the stalk of the flower. While talking about petals, these are the most beautiful and attractive parts of the flower that creates the entire beauty of its own. The purpose of petals is to attract insects, birds, and other organisms so as to facilitate cross-pollination. At number 3, we have androecium, which is also called stamen. And stamen consists of two components. Number 1 is the anther and number 2 is the filament. Let us take a look at these two structures. So anther is the site where pollen grains are formed, whereas filament is the stalk that holds the anther. Moving ahead to the fourth whorl of a flower, which is gynoecium, also called pistil. This part comprises of three structures, namely stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma is the topmost portion of the flower where the pollen grains are supposed to get landed upon. Then comes style. Now, if the pollen grains are of the same nature, that is to say of the same flower, then the germination of pollen grain will take place, and as a result of which, the pollen tube will slowly come down through the style. Style is the second structure of the pistil, and this connects the stigma and the ovary. At last, we have ovary, which is also the site of fertilization. Ovary is that particular place in the female reproductive part of a flower where double fertilization takes place. Please watch our next video, which discusses about the different cells present within the ovary and that of the ovule. Moving forward, when all the sepals are taken together, the system is called calyx, and when all the petals are taken together, the system is called corolla. Moving on to the next topic, identifying a flower. In case both male and female parts are present in a flower, that is to say in this case we are able to see that both the male and the female components are present in the same flower, then such a flower can be called as hermaphrodite flower, complete flower, or a bisexual flower. These are the three different terms for the exact same kind of flower. The particular flower that we have in question is China rose, which is called Hibiscus rosa sinensis in Latin. Here we have a beautiful image taken early in the morning where the pollen grains from the anther has been partially dusted off to the petals. In case the male and female parts of a flower are not located on the same individual flower but is scattered among multiple flowers over the same plant, then those kinds of flowers are called unisexual flowers, and further they can be classified as pistillate flower, which is to say a female flower, and a staminate flower for a male flower. In this image, we are able to see that these are the structures of a male and a female flowers which are found on a papaya tree. Interestingly enough, papaya tree can have both male flowers, separately female flowers, as well as hermaphrodite or complete flowers. That is a strange curiosity of nature itself. I hope you have understood the floral structures well. Thank you very much for understanding and learning from this video. I'll see you again tomorrow with a fresh topic. Goodbye.